Hello everyone. Today we will study logical function in Excel. Basically, logical function will test value in one cell and will perform action based on that value. There are basically four logical functions in Excel: if, or, and, not. Here we have a table of 9 students. We have serial numbers, their name, subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks. We will do grading according to their marks. Then we will apply or function, and not function. First one is if condition. If will evaluate a test condition. If condition is, general syntax is if logical test. Logical test means condition. Condition will be evaluated. Value if true. If test condition is true, then first value will be printed. If value if false. If test condition is false, then second value will be printed. For example, we want to do grading according to subject 1 marks. If a student has scored greater than 60 marks, then she has secured A grade, and if her score is less than 60, then she has secured B grade. Then we will apply condition if bracket start, then logical test. Logical test is subject 1 marks. We will select that cell greater than 60, then we will print A grade, comma. If this condition is not met, that means if her score is less than 60, then B, her grade is B, and we will press enter, and we will drag this formula throughout the cell. So it will do grading according to her score. Next one is or. Or will evaluate two conditions. If one of condition or both conditions are true, then statement will be executed. That means if we want to do grading according to both subject marks, that if a student has secured greater than 60 in at least one subject, at least either subject 1 or subject 2, then her grade is A. Or if she had secured less than 60 in both subject, then her grade is B. Then we will apply or. How we will apply or condition? Syntax is same. If, then or here subject 1 cell, we will select subject 1 cells greater than 60, and second condition is subject 2 cell greater than 60, her grade is A, otherwise her grade is B. Then it will check both subject 1 and subject 2 marks. If she has secured at least 60 marks in one subject, then her grade will be A. If both test conditions are false, that means in subject 1 also she has less than 60 marks, and in subject 2 also she has less than 60 marks, then her grade will be equal to B. And we will drag the formula. Next one is and. And will also operate on two test condition. It will also check both test condition. If both test condition are true, then only its result will be true. That means if we want to print grading that if a student has secured greater than 60 in both subject, then only her grade is A. If she had secured in less than 60 in subject 1 and greater than 60 in subject 2, then her grade will be B. That means it will evaluate true only if both conditions are true. If and logical one, subject 1 greater than 60, comma, subject 2 greater than 60, A, comma, So it will evaluate true, that means it will print A only when both subject have greater than 60 marks. If one of test condition is false, then it will print B grade. And we will drag the formula. Last one is your NOT operator. NOT operator will do inverse. Inverse means if we want to do evaluation only on subject 1, that means if a student has less than 35 marks, then her score is fail, and if he has greater than 35, then her score is pass. Then we will do if not 35, then fail, otherwise pass. So we will drag our formula. So we can apply if, or, and not. Further we can also do nested if. If we want to grading, here we will do nested if. Nested if. Suppose we want to do grading according to marks A, B, C,